Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Grindr app banned problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to understand why accounts get banned in the first place. Grindr may ban accounts for violating community guidelines, which include inappropriate photos, harassment, spam, or using third-party modified apps. Sometimes the bans are automatic and triggered by user reports, even if you didn't actually break the rules. So the first thing you should do is check your inbox for an email from Grindr. They usually send a ban notification with a short explanation. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder in case the email was filtered. After that, open your phone settings and clear Grindr's cache. Go to General. Then go to iPhone Storage, scroll down, find Grindr, and tap on it. Tap Offload App and confirm it again. Offloading the app frees up storage used by the application and helps clear cached data. Once that's done, reinstall the app again from the App Store. After reinstalling, make sure your Grindr app is fully updated. Open your App Store, search for Grindr, and if you see Update instead of Open, tap on Update and let it install the latest version. If the problem is still not resolved, go back to your home screen, open your browser, and search for the official Grindr Help Center. Once you open it, submit a request and look for the Ban Appeal option in the drop-down. Fill out your details, including your device, email, and username if you remember it. Then politely explain your situation. If the ban was a mistake, mention that clearly. After submitting the form, wait for their reply. It may take a few days, and submitting multiple requests won't help. Sometimes it can even delay your case. If Grindr decides not to lift the ban, there is unfortunately no further official appeal. If you still want to use the app, you will need to create a new account, but make sure to use a different email or phone number, and ideally a different device to avoid automatic detection. And to prevent getting banned again, always follow the rules, keep your content appropriate, avoid spamming, and never use modified third-party versions of the app. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.